Hey hustlers, welcome to Global AI Hustle. Millionaires use AI to make millions. You can start with $0 and turn it into passive income streams. If you're ready to make money online in 2025, this is your guide. Today we're breaking down the top 5 AI side hustles: AI content creation, AI generated art, AI tutoring, AI consulting, and AI e-commerce. These are beginner-friendly ways to leverage AI tools for global and US markets. Let's dive in and get you earning. AI side hustle 1, AI content creation. First up, AI content creation, the ultimate AI side hustle 2025 for writers and bloggers looking to make money online. Imagine pumping out blog posts, social media captions, or ebooks at lightning speed, then monetizing them for passive income. Use tools like ChatGPT for drafting and Canva AI for quick graphics. ChatGPT handles the heavy lifting on research and writing, while Canva AI polishes visuals to make your content pop. Platforms: sell on Amazon KDP for ebooks or freelance on Upwork for client gigs. US clients pay premium for SEO-optimized stuff. Actionable step: prompt ChatGPT with create a 500-word blog post on fitness trends for 2025. Edit it, post on your site, and watch ad revenue roll in. Start today, this could net you $500 a month easily. AI Side Hustle 2, AI Generated Art. Next, AI Generated Art, a creative AI side hustle 2025 that's exploding for making money online without art skills. Generate unique designs, prints, or NFTs and sell them globally for passive income. Key tools: Bing Image Creator for stunning visuals and Canva AI to refine and customize. Bing lets you prompt wild ideas into pro-level art in seconds. List your creations on Etsy for prints or Shopify for digital downloads. Target US buyers with trending themes like abstract AI art. Actionable step: list your first AI art on Etsy. Prompt Bing Image Creator with generate a futuristic cityscape in cyberpunk style. Download, upload to Etsy, and price at $10.20. Urgency: markets are hot now, jump in for quick sales. AI Side Hustle 3, AI Tutoring. Third, AI tutoring, perfect AI side hustle 2025 for educators or experts to make money online by scaling one-on-one sessions. Use AI to create personalized lessons, quizzes, and feedback for students worldwide. Tools like ChatGPT for lesson plans and Bing Image Creator for visual aids make it seamless. ChatGPT generates tailored content like math explanations or language drills. Offer services on Upwork or your own Shopify site. US and global parents love affordable, AI-boosted tutoring. Actionable step: prompt ChatGPT, create a beginner's guide to Python programming with quizzes. Package it as a course, list on your site, and charge $29. Beginners, this builds passive income fast, don't wait. AI Side Hustle 4, AI Consulting. Fourth, AI Consulting, the high-ticket AI side hustle 2025 for making serious money online by advising businesses on AI integration. No PhD needed, just guide small biz on tools to boost efficiency. Leverage ChatGPT for strategy reports and Canva AI for presentation decks. ChatGPT brainstorms solutions like automating customer service. Find clients on Upwork or LinkedIn. US companies pay $100 an hour for global consultants. Actionable step: prompt ChatGPT, outline an AI strategy for a small e-commerce store, pitch it to a local business via LinkedIn. This hustle scales to $1,000 a month quickly. Act now before saturation. AI Side Hustle 5, AI e-commerce. Last but not least, AI e-commerce, an innovative AI side hustle 2025 to make money online with dropshipping or custom products. AI handles product research, descriptions, and marketing. Use tools like ChatGPT for copywriting and Bing Image Creator for product mockups. ChatGPT crafts compelling listings that convert. Set up on Shopify or Amazon KDP for print on demand. Target US shoppers with AI-optimized stores for passive income. Actionable step: prompt ChatGPT, generate 10 product descriptions for eco-friendly gadgets, build a Shopify store, add dropshipping, and launch. Beginners, this is low risk, start small and scale to thousands in revenue. There you have it, the top 5 AI side hustles for 2025: content creation, generated art, tutoring, consulting, and e-commerce. These leverage free AI tools for passive income and let you make money online from anywhere, targeting global and US markets. Pick one, start today, your future self will thank you. If this fired you up, smash that like button, subscribe to Global AI Hustle for more AI tips, and comment AI Hustle below for a free guide on getting started. Check the link in the description for our Substack with exclusive resources. Thanks for watching Hustle Smart with AI.